are anyway, by the way, your reflection.
Different possibilities for one. So the easy one, let's say we do a sugar push. So the easy one is Monty leads back from his lower center, but then brings the hand up, bam. Okay, you can work out of it and just kind of do whatever you want, and then restart on the downbeat. Okay, another one, a little bit harder. Monty's going to lead me off that anchor early and one. Okay, so if we do it with a sugar push, we would have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1.
And I can drop the hand,
Yep.
I can keep the hand, I can change the hand, whatever I want to do. I can even start leading it opposite hand. Does not matter.
Yep. He could just unwind, right, either way, right on around. Or if she wanted to have fun, she could kind of work around and do something cool, right, coming out herself. Okay? Then 3s, easy peasy, right side pass to the side catch. 1, oh, we're going to do this. So we have 1, 2, hit. Right? You can just bring her out, you can spin her, or you can go to the hit and you can release and maybe go into something rhythmical, back and forth with the sliding doors, right? And then pick her up, spin her out, and we're good there. We also had on the 3 hitting a little bit of a lunge. So if Monty leads a J hook, 1, 2, hit 3, right? We could hit something right there. And that was a good example of the trapdoor, because maybe he was trying to do the 1, but he realized on the 6 right before that it wasn't there. So he leads the same idea, 1, but skips the 1 to hit it on the 3. So the trapdoor is inserting 2-beat increments because maybe you miscalculated or you misspelled.
That never happens.
Totally. So on the 5, we have the basic width. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit away on 5. Okay, or we have the hip catch. So from the wrap, 1, 2, 3, accelerating her out, and 5. Okay, so those were our ideas. 7, nice and easy, would be on the patchy whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, hit. Hit on 7. Okay, so there's your tools. Good work, everybody.